In this video I want to add some styles to our category items. And first of all, I want to move our category item to separate component. So let's create new component, category list item, and move our code there. View should be from markup-kit. Let's import use effect and use state. Let's wrap disable it with use state. And we need props, so let's create prop types. Item will be category type, and also we need on press, which will receive item as well and return nothing. So on press, replace this on press, and let's try turn category list item here, and on category item press as on press function. Let's take a look. Yeah, still working as it was. And let's add some shadow. Yeah, much better. And probably another thing, I want to update font, maybe text 50, maybe light. Yeah, I like this much better. And what else I want to show here is to make categories background colors with different colors. Let's create new directory theme. Oh, it's already exists. So let's create file colors, add flow annotation, category colors array. I prepared some colors for it. Actually, I took it from this website. I think it's cool colors. And what I want to do as well, to make it in random order for each category screen. So let's add shuffle function, which receive array, in our case array of string, and return as well array of strings. And what I want to do here, I want sort array with mass random mass 0.5 and export category colors function, which simply return shuffle of our category colors. Export const, sorry. Okay, it's duplicated name. Let's name it get category colors. Let's back to category screen. So I want these colors for each screen, and for this I will create new hook. Let's name it use category colors. We don't have props here. Let's import use state and use effect. State will be colors set colors with empty array, and on first load I want to set colors from our function get category colors, and I want to export function get category color by index. Index will be number and return string. We need color index, which will be index divided the colors array length, and return colors for color index. Let's duplicate it here. Okay, let's back to category screen. Import function from use category colors. And add new prompt colors from our function by index. Also add prop type here string color, so we don't need this background color. Sorry. Yeah, and you see there is nice colors, and it randomized order per each screen. Okay, that's it. In next video we will add images for each category.